Welcome students of class 3. So today again I will explain you your topic MS Word, how to work on this software. Let's open the software. So first of all, I want to clear your confusion between different components of Word window. So let's take a quick look of different components of MS Word window. So this is called your office button. This round shaped button is called your office button. In some versions of MS Word software, you will get file tab instead of this office button. So the version on which I am working right now is having this office button. So when I will click on this office button, it will show me one list with some options: new, open, save, save as, print, prepare, send, publish and close. Alright, now let's move on to the other section. Just after this office button or file tab, you will get the quick access toolbar. This very small area after your file tab or office button is known as quick access toolbar. It will give you option like redo or repeat, save, new or undo. Now the middle section of the title bar will display the name of your software along with your file name, and the right hand side section of the title bar will display you your three command button or control button: minimize, maximize and close. Now let's move on to the next section of Word window. This is called your menu bar. Menu bar contains different tabs. By default, always you will get this home tab open, then insert tab, page layout tab, reference tab, mailing tab, review tab and view tab. So these are the tabs which you will get on menu bar. Every set of tool of tab, suppose this is your home tab, and every set of tool will open in a section. These sections are called group. So this first section is called clipboard group. The second section is called font group. So in under every tab you will get different groups. Under every tab you will get different groups. Now let's move on to the other section. These are two rulers. Rulers are just look like your scale which you are using to give margin on a notebook. Now here you will get two rulers, horizontal ruler and at the left hand side vertical ruler. This blinking cursor will help you to type everything on the document. When you will press enter, so the cursor will move on to the next line, so you can type a new line or word, numbers, whatever you want to type. When we use the spacebar key, you can see one space will generated and so on. Now the Word also offers you status bar. Status bar is the last component of your Word window. So at the top we are getting the title bar and at the bottom we are getting the status bar. So let's take a close look of this status bar. At the left of the status bar, you can see how many words or on which page number we are working or which language we are using to type the document. So as you can see, I have typed 3 words: first word, second word and third word after one space. So it is displaying you 3 words, total number of words. And on which page I am working right now? Page 1 of 1, means only one page is open. And which language I am using? English. Now let's move on to the right part of the status bar.